You know what it is? A song about my Lord, a song about my King. Oh, Jesus before me, Jesus behind, Jesus on all sides. I decide to follow you like the wise men and the star. I expect to be taken so very, very far. Mary had a little lamb. 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 His name was Jesus, and yes, it still is. He is the greatest one, and I will profess his ways. Mary had a little lamb. 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 His name was Jesus, and yes, it still is. He is the greatest one, and I will profess his ways. Let's all join in and exalt him. Let's testify to begin. It was all him. At Christmas, we celebrate the one who hung the star so greatly, that led the wise men very far. A message of love and hate. We listen to the message. I always follow the one true King. He's the reason for the season. Please believe us. The one who was born on that silent night. It was quite the sight. The angels sang on high. Mary had a little lamb. 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 His name was Jesus, and yes, it still is. He is the greatest one. I will profess his ways. Mary had a little lamb. 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 His name was Jesus, and yes, it still is. He is the greatest one. I will profess his ways. The one we hail, the one we proclaim. Now we have the great I am. No longer a lame, no longer that little lamb. This man has traveled so very far, took on the kingdom and has captured my very heart. We sing to the King, we exalt his name, forever we'll proclaim, cause he's just that great. Giving thanks for everything, hallelujah is my aim. It's not an option. See, I won't let you do it. Won't let you stoop to that level. It's an adoption. See that I lead you to it. This is power over the devil. There is no force that could come between you and majesty, you and the King. I saw you there, sickness ailed you, but Jesus prevailed you. You thought about self-harm, you thought about suicide, and I was alarmed. Please note that when you cry, the tears make their way to the throne. Child, come home, maybe you did hurt yourself. Let me tell you, Christ in you is better than anything else. Yes, he'll heal your wounds, and not just the ones outside, but the ones deep inside. Yeah, you will grow and show yourself approved, like a butterfly coming from its cocoon. See, your life is not a game, it's the aim. The way we talk, the way we shoot, the way we score. Suicide is not an option anymore.